Hey guys, I'm Chris, and I am the least flexible person you know. So if you're active but you're not flexible like me, I'm gonna show you a couple of stretches that are just gonna help your life every day. The first one is I used to do competitive jiu-jitsu, and we learned these to open up our arms. You'd probably have tightness through your shoulders, through your neck, through your arms, through your back. So the first one I've learned is just to open up my forearms, and this one's really easy. You just push the heel of your hand forward, you pull your fingers down, nothing too complicated. From there, to open up the other muscles through your forearms that you don't think about a lot, what you do is take your hand, put it into the center of your chest, and turn it around. So your pinky's now touching the center of your chest. Grab your hand with your other hand, and just pull down to your waist. Keep it on your body and feel that open. From there, very easy, put your hand out in front of you on a horizontal plane and just turn your thumb down. And again, use your other hand to pull directly pinky into your nose. You're gonna feel all that brachialis that's always probably tight for you open. Easy, easy, easy. The next one, this was an old rugby coach I had would always tell us to open up our neck. For rugby, you had to do that because you were tackling, but in everyday life, think about what your life consists of mainly. We're looking at computers, we're looking at phones, we're constantly looking down, and we're constantly tight. So the easiest way to do it is you reach around, grab your opposing ear, and just pull gently. Pull your right ear into your right shoulder, and just enjoy it. Take as much time as you need on either side. Again, other side. Don't do the back of the neck yet. We're gonna get to that. We're gonna start to work our way down the back and then come back to the neck. So, the next is, from the neck down, your back is gonna be tight, your hips are probably tight, your hamstrings are probably tight. From sitting, we sit a lot. Even if you're active, you sit a lot. That's our lives. So we're gonna do a basic hip hinge. And here's the deal. You don't want to bend over. This is bending over. This is not healthy for my back. What you wanna do is fold in half. Imagine I tied a little rope around your waist and I just pulled it. And all of a sudden, my hips come back, my upper body falls, my back is still flat until all of a sudden, boom, you're opening all of your posterior chain through the hamstrings, the calves, the glutes, the low back. Now, next thing, let your body drop. Think about the crown of your head becoming the heaviest part of your body. Let it get really heavy, let your neck get longer. Think about your hands becoming heavy. Let your arms get longer. And just sink back with the hips, feeling that stretch. Last one. I want you to nod yes. Touch your chin to your chest if you can. If you can't, it's okay. Go as far as you can. And feel all those hard to reach muscles that run through your upper and middle back start to open. And this one, we're gonna try together, but I want you to be careful with it. Tickle the back of your skull with your fingers, lightly. Press gently on your head until that chin gets a little closer, and just feel the release. All those muscles through your spine releasing. And let it go. Nod yes again. Nod side to side. We never say no. We just nod side to side. Get light in the knees. Roll up really slowly. One vertebrae at a time. Let everything just be loose, like jelly. Until the last thing that comes up, shoulders, and then your head. And then take a really big breath. Cross your arms, squat down low, past your regular squat. Take a huge breath in. Oh, I'm a little looser. I can go do stuff again. Thanks for joining the least flexible guy in the world today. If this helps you at all, I'm happy. And subscribe below.
Welcome to our cabin series. Take a moment to escape with us at our cozy cabin in Osler Mountain during the most beautiful time of the year. Enjoy a series of meditation, yoga, and Pilates videos. Together we'll stretch, sweat, and connect with our bodies and breath. So grab your mat, get cozy, and let's get moving. It's a beautiful day to take some time for yourself.